Get the shot or get fired. Those are the choices before California healthcare workers on today's vaccine mandate deadline.
Today is the deadline for healthcare workers across the state to be fully vaccinated against COVID-19 or risk getting fired. Those who are not vaccinated must have a medical or religious exemption.
We reached out to a number of area healthcare groups about where their numbers stand at the moment. News 8's Heather Hope has that breakdown and a response from the nurses union.
For the hospitals that have provided us their vaccinated employee numbers, overwhelmingly they show that the majority of healthcare workers have been vaccinated. But as for that small group who has not, they risk being terminated by the end of today. And there will be a group of healthcare workers who plan to rally right outside Brady Children's Hospital tomorrow in order to protest the vaccine mandate.
We're kind of running down the last final numbers to decide, how many employees unfortunately have to be terminated because they chose not to get vaccinated.
As California's vaccination mandate deadline for healthcare workers arrives, gathering the healthcare headcount of vaccinated employees wasn't a steep challenge for Scripps Health CEO Chris Van Gorder, as 98% of its doctors are vaccinated.
If this were an election, it would be a landslide in terms of who won. Vaccinations win.
Scripps Health says only 0.5% of all its 16,500 employees are unvaccinated. 541 received exemptions for medical, pregnancy, and religious reasons.
All of these exemptions we've given are temporary, and the employees know that. So, for example, pregnancy doesn't last forever. When those moms have their babies and come back to work, they have to be vaccinated.
For Sharp Healthcare, 92% of its 18,246 employees are vaccinated, 691 are exempt, 292 are partially vaccinated, and 539 employees remain unvaccinated. For Kaiser Permanente, it says about 97% of employees have responded with either vaccination verification or request for exemption, and the number continues to grow. The California Nurses Association statement says, "We strongly believe all eligible people should be vaccinated. While respecting the need for medical and religious accommodations, we know employers can encourage vaccination by offering easily accessible on-site shots and paid time off to get vaccinated and to help employees deal with potential side effects." Some healthcare workers plan to rally Friday supporting vaccine choice and not a mandate.
It's a statewide mandate, and come November, there'll be a federal mandate.
So tomorrow, right outside Brady Children's Hospital from 2 to 4 p.m., the America's Healthcare Workers for Medical Freedom will hold their rally in support of vaccine choice. Heather Hope, News 8.